In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your Outlook group calendar not showing. This is a common problem faced by many users, especially in older versions of Outlook, which often have bugs that affect the visibility of group calendars. So if you're experiencing this frustrating situation, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process of resolving it. We'll start by ensuring your Office application is up to date, as this often resolves many of the most common bugs associated with group calendars. First, open Outlook and navigate to the top left corner of your screen. There you'll want to click on File to access the File menu. Once inside, you'll see an option that says Office Account. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Account Information page. Here you'll find Update Options, a helpful feature that keeps your software functioning smoothly with the latest improvements from Microsoft. Click on Update Options, and from the drop-down menu, select Update Now. By doing this, you're initiating a check for any available updates that might not have been installed yet. This process should run automatically, and in a few moments, Outlook will let you know if there are updates to be applied. Applying these updates can often fix the bugs that impede group calendar functionality. Now, if updating doesn't resolve your issue, don't panic. We have another method up our sleeve that might do the trick. You'll need to press the Windows key on your keyboard together with the R key. This action will open up the Run dialog box, an essential tool for accessing various settings and features quickly. In the text box of the Run dialog, type in outlook.exe reset nav pane without the quotes, and then hit Enter on your keyboard. What this command does is it resets the navigation pane settings in Outlook to their default state. This can be remarkably effective in fixing various interface issues, including those that prevent the group calendar from displaying properly. After pressing Enter, allow Outlook a moment to process the command, and it will restart. By resetting the navigation pane settings, not only do you have a clean slate to avoid glitches, but you also ensure any recent updates are correctly integrated into Outlook's operations. Once it's up and running again, go to your group calendar to see if the issue has been resolved. And that wraps up our guide on fixing the Outlook group calendar not showing. Feel free to try these steps at your own pace. Remember, keeping your software updated and utilizing built-in reset functions can go a long way in maintaining smooth operation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below.